Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, to this YouTube video short entitled What Causes Financial Problems in an Economic System? I'm Sanford Khan, business author, speaker. It is a lack of liquidity in an economic system that causes the financial problems because debts of corporations, also individuals, are not easily rolled over. It's when the Fed, the U.S. Federal Reserve, plus other central banks start to withdraw liquidity from the system. That's when all the problems that have been built up during the long economic expansion financed by cheap and abundant credit will show up. We haven't seen that yet, but it's coming. There will be surprises. No economic expansion goes on without surprises and a lot of people making mistakes that have been hidden by cheap and abundant credit. It will show itself. I appreciate, though, if you could subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the next one.